Welcome back to the HealthTech Explorers channel. Today we will talk about the AI-driven revolution in clinical trials. We'll look at what digital twins and causal inference can really do for medicine. And if you'd like to read the full article, the link is waiting for you in the description below. Let's break down the vision from the article, Revolutionizing Clinical Trials, a manifesto for AI-driven transformation, and expand it with other up-to-date perspectives, making the story clear, engaging, and suitable for a YouTube explainer. Clinical trials are the lifeblood of new medicine, but they are often slow, costly, and not always representative of real patients. Most late-phase trials take many years and can cost more than $500 million each. At the same time, the majority of patients are excluded from participation, which means the results may not apply to most people in real life. Traditional methods of analyzing data struggle with the scale and complexity that modern research demands. Artificial intelligence offers a way to change this. It promises to make clinical trials faster, fairer, more affordable, and more precise. Two of the most promising approaches are causal inference and digital twins. Causal inference is about identifying what treatment truly caused which outcome, separating genuine cause and effect from coincidence. With AI, massive data sets can be analyzed quickly to determine which patients are most likely to benefit from a drug, improving inclusion criteria and dosage optimization. Digital twins are advanced computer models of real patients, built from electronic health records, genomics, and wearable sensors. With AI, these twins adapt continuously, updating as more data arrives or as a patient's condition changes. The goals of AI-enhanced trials are ambitious. They can provide faster answers by quickly identifying which therapies work best for specific groups, allowing ineffective treatments to be abandoned sooner. They improve success rates by predicting who will respond and who will not, saving time and resources while focusing on promising drugs in patient groups. They also allow for richer insights and diversity, asking more complex questions about drug interactions, secondary effects, or disease mechanisms. A digital twin can even model how a diabetic patient with heart disease might respond not just to a single medicine, but to a combination of therapies and lifestyle changes. Modern trials must balance confirmation and discovery. They need to confirm that a treatment works while also exploring unexpected benefits or risks. AI-driven tools can probe trial data more deeply, even creating synthetic control groups. This reduces the number of real patients placed in placebo arms and makes studies both more ethical and more informative. AI-powered digital twins are especially transformative. Traditional mechanistic models rely on established equations, such as those describing heart function, but often miss subtle patient differences. AI-driven models, using deep learning and neural networks, can simulate outcomes based on actual patient data. These virtual patients can test different doses, drug combinations, or treatment strategies safely. They predict risks before a real patient is exposed, broaden inclusion by simulating diverse populations, and preserve data when a patient drops out, since their twin continues to provide insights. Virtual control groups also help reduce costs and accelerate studies. Instead of relying only on large groups of real patients in placebo arms, AI-driven simulations provide comparator data tailored to different standards of care around the world. After trials, digital twins remain useful in clinical practice. They help physicians select the best therapy for each patient, predict side effects, and update treatment guidelines faster. This is not just theoretical. Companies like Tempus, In Silico Medicine in China, and IBM Watson have already deployed AI to improve trial design, patient selection, and drug discovery. Hospitals and pharmaceutical companies across Europe, the United States, and East Asia are building digital twin programs. Challenges remain, including regulatory approval, data integration, and building trust with clinicians and patients. But progress is underway. Hospitals are digitizing records, wearable devices collect continuous health data, and genomic information is now widely accessible. Researchers are developing explainable AI, making decisions transparent and verifiable. Pharma, tech, and academic partners are working together to validate these solutions at scale. The future of clinical trials is being reshaped by artificial intelligence. From smarter patient selection and predictive simulations to virtual controls and adaptive design, AI has the potential to bring safer and more effective therapies to market faster, while ensuring they reflect the true diversity of real-world patients. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.